Imagine a world where you're charged extra for Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, per character, per picture, per status.
तो मेरी पूरी सैलरी तो उसमें ही चली जाएगी फिर तो यार।
Do you guys know anything about net neutrality?
No. Net neutrality, no.
I don't know, I haven't heard.
No idea about it.
It is about telecom operators charging different amounts of money for different kinds of content.
बहुत देर से ढूंढ रहे थे, फाइनली मिल गया बंदा। Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp, Viber, Skype calling, all this could be charged.
They're losing their head.
That's totally messed up. That's ridiculous.
Airtel's already on its way to do something like that, which is stupid. So I'm going to switch to something else soon.
So they lose customers.
Of course they lose customers. It's stupid.
I don't know. This is scary. Why would I pay extra for shopping online or something like that? I'll not use it. It's as simple as that.
And the guys who own these telecom companies are obviously rich.
Oh, but that doesn't even make any more difference, right?
No, it does
Not
because
even spreading it anywhere.
no, they want the 20 paisa from the poor people to go into their pocket because multiplied by 1 crore will be 20 lakhs.
Give that to some poor man. He'll know the value of it at least. It's a lot of money.
कितना लूटोगे अब यार हमको और?
भाई किसी ने कहा था हमारे अच्छे दिन आएंगे।
हाँ, ये तो मोदी सरकार ने जो बोला था।
एक मिनट, मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ कहाँ से आएंगे। अच्छे दिन, अच्छे दिन।
Please do not apply charges. Being Indian, सोचो being Indian का क्या होगा यार?
Being Indian की रोजी और रोटी।
रोटी चली जाएगी।
रोजी इधर और रोटी इधर, जबकि रोजी इधर और रोटी इधर होनी चाहिए।
YouTube sites and all the porn sites that should be banned actually.
YouTube को ban होना चाहिए. I make pasta सीख के YouTube से.
जिसमें negative जिसमें
You'll ban it. How will the kids learn? वो छुप के करेंगे, उससे अच्छा देख के सीख के चुपचाप साइड में रहेंगे.
What they want to learn actually वो automatically आता है.
I think it's just about being scared of competition. When somebody is providing you with a free service, of course a person who's charging you for it feels insecure and probably they're not competent or something, so of course there are going to be issues.
But that's not our problem. They need to come up with something even better that they can earn money out of it.
It's like giving a kid a toy.
And then snatching it back. Telling him that, okay, you need to pay 10 rupees per day to play with it.
By the principles that the internet was founded on, it was basically equal access for everyone, everywhere at the same rates.
If you have people telling you what are you supposed to watch and not supposed to watch, then I don't think it makes sense to have internet at all.
If you see that the internet plan which was earlier of 50 rupees per month, it is now 150, 200, 300 rupees per month. So charging for specific like WhatsApp, which is free from the WhatsApp only, why should service providers should charge for this?
Already banned beef, really. I don't care about Vimeo. Bring the beef back.
Someday WhatsApp will be paid and then everyone will just jump on Hike. And then someday Hike will be paid and something else will come up. That's what's going to happen. If Facebook is gone, they'll just find something new. BBM's gone, now there's WhatsApp.
Totally.
And then people will just move on.
Do you think Tinder should be chargeable?
Any kind of dating app should not be charged.
Ask the guy who's single.
Exactly.
मुझे पता था तू single है.
Best thing which is come forward here is that the government has not put a stamp on it. They are still open to our views.
If it was a corporate idea, it is a bad idea. If it was from the Modi government, it is a bad idea. It doesn't matter where it came from. Net neutrality is something that we should stand up for.
I have signed a petition which is against it.
You already have?
Yeah, I have.
So would you like to voice your protest?
Yes, of course I will.
Yeah.
So what you have to do is email on the email ID given below, advqos@trai.gov, and tell them how fucked up this is.
Yes, it's totally fucked up and I'm definitely going to say it.
आपने petition फाइल किया? Petition.
किसका?
भैंस खो गया था ना हमारा, उसका petition फाइल कर रहे हैं हम. आपने किया?
नहीं किया.
आपका भैंस है, आपके पास है?
नहीं है.
तो फिर petition फाइल करो तभी मिलेगा. I thought the government is of the people, by the people and for the people. But why aren't they supporting net neutrality then? If you have the same question in your head, then like this video, share it with as many people as you can and write an email to TRAI, try. And in the comment section, do leave your views on net neutrality. And you can tweet about net neutrality on Twitter. The Being Indian handle is, and you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram with these handles. And हाँ, इतनी सारी चीजों के बाद do not forget to subscribe Being Indian. आखिर हमारी रोजी रोटी का सवाल है यार. रोजी रोटी net neutrality.
At which age did you guys get it?
16, 17 I guess, maybe.
5th they basically told you that okay, women don't have things, they don't grow at a later stage.
तू ऑन द वे. अच्छा एक काम करना, मेरे लिए कुछ सिगरेट्स लेके आ और एक ओल्ड का क्वार्टर लाना, उसके साथ साबुन का पैकेट लाना, चावल लाना, नमक लाना एंड डोंट फॉरगेट द शुगर. अरे चाय पियेंगे यार.